Hi. In this video, I will show how to install Docker on Ubuntu Server 2004. I have Virtualbox with Ubuntu Server installed. Let's start it. I want to use the SSH client to connect to virtual machine. Virtualbox terminal not so useful for me. To do this, I need to see what is the IP of my virtual machine. Let's see. This is virtual machine local IP, from my router. I configured bridged adapter, and now this VM in the same network with host. No need to port forwarding. I will use Ubuntu on Windows app from Microsoft Store. Let's connect to VM. This IP is dynamic and can be changed after a reboot. Now I want to configure static IP for my Ubuntu Server VM. Need to change the network config file. All commands I will share in descriptions. Okay, we have some errors here, we'll fix now. Now is good, let's check if the network is reachable. We have ping. And now for the testing, I will change IP. Reconnect to VM. Everything is fine. And now we can start the installation. Standard Docker installation command from the Docker website. And here we have an error. Focal release does not exist and I can install Docker right now. To fix this I will use the previous release and will replace this line. As you can see, the latest release is AO on, and I will use it. Just replace this line with AO on. Now is good and I can install Docker. Docker installed. I want to test the Docker installation by running the Hello World image. Okay, need permissions to run Docker image, but I want to run it without sudo. Add the user to the Docker group with this command. Need to re-log in, press Ctrl+D to log out. Now it is good. Hello from Docker. And here is a stopped container. Also, I want to install Docker Compose. Just run this commands. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to channel if you want more like this. See you in the next video.